All right, so we waited for this to dry. And now we have our 2 sheets of pasted paper. So this is the decorative paper that's going to go over the book board like this, okay? And if you have a pattern, make sure that the pattern is facing up. Okay. So we're going to take our 2 sheets here of the decorative paper, and we're going to put paste on them. But before we do that, what you want to do is put these underneath your book board so that they have an even amount a 3/4 inch edge on the top, the tail, the height, the tail, and the foredge. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut an angle here and an angle here, here, and here. But we need to leave about the height of the board. So this board is about 1/16 of an inch high, and we need to make that angle a little bit further away than right up to the edge, okay? So I just did with my bone folder, I just made an angle. So you're taking the height of this board and you're creating a little space right here, and then you're making that angle, okay? Because what's happening is you're going to fold these in like this and paste them, and the 2 edges will come together. All right, so I did that. And basically what you're doing is you're deciding how much of the book cloth you want to expose, okay? So I decided that I wanted to have like maybe about 2 inches of the book cloth, this book cloth, to show, and that I wanted these nice looking papers to be the cover papers to show. Okay, so I'm going to put glue on these cover papers. So remember, you need a scrap sheet, and you are using the mixture 50%, 50%. So 50% starch, 50% glue. And before you put that on, the glue on, you want to cut those angles. Okay, so you're just cutting triangles. I already looked at it and measured it. I know how I want it. And then I'm going to put the 50-50 PVA glue, starch paste. Start from the middle, work your way up, go right past it like that. I'm going to move this out of the way so it doesn't accidentally get on the cover. And then I'm going to do this one. Again, I'm just going to move that out of the way so I don't get glue any place I don't want it to be. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my first cover. And set this in to where I marked it. Okay. And I'm going to turn in the foredge first. Oh, I just realized okay. Turn in my foredge first. And then my head. And see how that comes right up into a nice triangle. And if you do have a little space, just tuck it in and then bring up your tail. Burnish that in. And here's my second piece. And remember, you want it to be the same. So this is about 1.5 inches. So we want to do the same thing here. There we go. Bring in the 4-edge. Burnish it. Bring in the top. Burnish it. And the tail. And burnish it. Okay, so we're almost done. We are like so almost done here. So give this a minute to dry. Flip it over. Look at this. It's getting so beautiful. So now what we need to do is we need to put the text block in. All right, so this is the end. This is what the fun part is. So